The JCU Careers and Employability team are here to help students realise their career goals. We're here to help students all the way through their courses to make sure they can graduate and get the stepping stone roles that they need to launch their careers.
So I connected to the service because I got into my first year and I kind of had no idea what I was doing or if even the course was right for me. The team is really friendly, super approachable. Everyone's really knowledgeable, really experienced. They know what they're doing. Even when you have no idea what you're doing, they know what you're going to do.
We have some great resources and services to help students. Firstly, we have one-to-one career appointments. These appointments could be for things like resume help, job searching, interview preparation. Additionally, we do things more career-related like planning and decision-making and what's possible with your degree.
We have workshops, we'll come into your classes and talk about specific topics, and we also run events where employers will come onto campus.
I would definitely recommend it to my friends and anybody studying at JCU. And I think the most valuable thing that I took out of the appointment were the graduate portals, where you can easily find a job after you graduate or even find an internship while you're still studying at JCU.
But once I followed this professional advice, I got my job. I definitely recommend.